नमस्ते बच्चों, मैं आपका हिंदी अध्यापक संजय आज नई पोएम के साथ में यहाँ पर हाजिर हूँ। कविता का नाम है आदमी नामा। आदमी नामा, आदमी मीन्स ह्यूमन, आदमी मीन्स ह्यूमन, nama means what? Various types of humans. So in this world there are so many types of humans are there. In a person there are so many qualities are there hidden in our body there. According to quality we can judge. See, now if I will stand there, you don't know what qualities are there in me. If I will sing, then if my voice is good there, you may tell me, sir, you are a singer there, correct? If I will dance there, so hidden qualities, if you are outlooking, by outlooking you cannot judge me, correct? So in this world there are so many types of people here. इस जगत में बहुत सारे आदमी हैं, उनके बारे में ही नजीर अकबराबादी ने उनके प्रवृत्तियों के बारे में हमें समझाया है. हाउ द पीपल्स आर देयर, what are the types of peoples, their works and everything. So let us see there in this आदमी नामा. फर्स्ट स्टांजा. दुनिया में बादशाह है सो है वह भी आदमी, और मुफलिस ओ गधा है सो वो भी आदमी. दुनिया में, इन द वर्ल्ड, दुनिया में, इन द वर्ल्ड, बादशाह किंग, बादशाह किंग है सो है वह भी आदमी. इन दिस वर्ल्ड किंग इज देयर, दैट इज ऑल्सो ह्यूमन, ही इज ऑल्सो, ही इज द वन ह्यूमन, करेक्ट? ही इज द वन हु इज द किंग, करेक्ट? सो बादशाह इज ऑल्सो अ ह्यूमन. और मुफलिस ओ गधा, मुफलिस, मुफलिस मीन्स गरीब, पुअर पर्सन, पुअर पर्सन ऑल्सो ए ह्यूमन, correct? So king also a human and poor also a human, but difference what is there? The king is ruling the country and the poor person what is there? Courtier of that king, है ना? राजा जो है पूरे राज्यों को चलाता है और गरीब आदमी क्या, उसकी प्रजा बनता है और काम धंधे करता है. और मुफलिस ओ गधा, गधा भिखारी भी आदमी है. भिखारी, बेगर्स आर देयर, दोज हु आर बेगिंग ऑन द रोड, they are also human. So see here, a man can be a king, a man can be आदमी. आदमी जो है वो क्या है? राजा भी है ना? राजा भी है, कौन है? गरीब भी है, राजा भी है, गरीब भी है और भिखारी भी है. A person, a human is a king, poor also, and can be a beggar also. See how many types of, only human we cannot see there. So many qualities will be there in that. According to their work we can judge them. So मुफलिस ओ गधा है सो भी आदमी. तो यहाँ पर राजा भी आदमी है, किंग इज ऑल्सो ए ह्यूमन, इवन पुअर मैन एंड द बेगर ऑल्सो ए ह्यूमन. जरदार बेनवा है सो है वो भी आदमी, नियमत जो खा रहा है सो वो भी आदमी, टुकड़े चबा रहा है सो वो है भी आदमी. Here what is there? You see there, जरदार, जरदार means what? धनवान. जरदार means what? धनवान. जरदार means धनवान, rich person. Who is rich person? Who has everything. There is no problems for him. Wealth is there, all the facilities are there. So he is also a human only. He is also a human only. And benawa, benawa what? Kamjor, a weak person, a weak person who don't have a good personality, is looking pale. वो बहुत ही कमजोर दिखता है, वो भी क्या है? आदमी है. तो जिसके पास धन संपत्ति है वो भी आदमी है, और जिसके पास कुछ भी नहीं है, दिखने में कमजोर है, he is too pale, he is also a human there. So like this, Nazir Akbarabadi is showing us a mirror there. Nazir Akbarabadi showing us a mirror that humans, how many types of humans are there? A human can be a king, a human can be a poor, a human can be a beggar, a human can be a rich person, those who are having every day good vegetables, good dinner, lunch, they are doing parties, he is also human only. Okay, here what is in first stanza we have seen there the types of human, the types of human there. In second stanza we are going to see that what types of work the human is doing there, what types of work the human is doing there. So let us see there. मस्जिद भी आदमी आदमी ने बनाई है या मियाँ, बनते हैं आदमी ही इमाम और खुत बाकवा, पढ़ते हैं आदमी ही कुरान और नमाजिया, और आदमी ही उनकी चुराते हैं जूतियाँ, जो उनको ताड़ता है सो है वो भी आदमी. So here what is there in the second stanza? Workers are there. So many types of workers are there. Those who are making a mask, building a mask, they are also human there. Correct? Work masons are there, no? They are only building mask and everything. Correct? So masjid bhi आदमी ने बनाई है. So who build a mask? आदमी, human, a human. बनते हैं आदमी ही ईमान और खुद बाकवा. In that same mask, okay, a person build a mask there, masjid बनाई है, and imam means what? Who is reading the namaz? Imam, namaz पढ़ने वाला. Allahu Akbar. There every day 5 times we are hearing that sound. No? That is namaz. So who is shouting there? No, every day. Who is doing that puja there in the mic? That is called imam. Namaz पढ़ने वाला. So who made the mask? He is also a human there. Who is reading the namaz? He is also a human. And another word is there? Khut bakwa. Khut bakwa means what? Quran. Who is reading the Quran? Every day evening or they have a time there. When khut bakwa will be there in the mosque, they will read the namaz and the other people will listen. Khud bakwa is there, he is reading the Quran and other people will listen to him. So everything is done by the man only. Who made the mask? He is also a human. Who is reading namaz there? He is also a human. And who is reading the Quran book, holy book of Muslims? He is also a human. पढ़ते हैं आदमी ही कुरान और नमाज, और या आदमी ही उनकी चुराते हैं जूतियां. Now you see there in that same mosque, those who are going for namaz, when they are going for namaz there, their shoes and slippers they have to keep it outside of the mosque there. Correct? So some of the people, those who are not doing puja or prayer there, these guys, namaz people, they will go and do their namaz there, but other people will be watching. Oh, where are their slippers and shoes? So they will be doing their namaz there, and these guys will take their slipper and shoes and run from there. So who is stealing the shoes and slipper? He is also a human. He is also a human. And moreover, who is watching? Watchman will be there, no, somewhere. Who is watching? Oh, this guy is stealing the slipper and shoes, but he won't say anything there. That person also a human there. Correct? Now you see there, every types of humans are there. That's why Nazir Akbarabadi is telling there, everything, those who are king, poor, beggar, everybody is human beings there only. Who is constructing the mosque? He is also human. Who is telling the namaz? He is also human. And those who are reading the Quran, giving reading and teaching Quran to the students or disciples, they are also human there. And those who are stealing the slipper and shoes of those namaz people, they are also human. And those who are watching, watchman will be watching there, he will be also a human only. Okay, in the third stanza now, या आदमी पे जान को वारे है आदमी, और आदमी पे तेग को मारे है आदमी, पगड़ी भी आदमी की उतारे है आदमी, चिल्ला के आदमी को पुकारे है आदमी, और सुन के दौड़ता है सो वो भी है आदमी. या आदमी पे जान पे वारे आदमी. Now you see there here what is there? One person is there, he is in problem. Okay, one person is there, he is in problem there. So he is shouting there, please save me, save me. Okay, to listening him, other person will come there. He is also a human, correct? Those who is shouting there, save me, he is also a human. And who is running for helping him, that person also a human there. So who is running and protecting to this guy, he is also a human. और आदमी पे तेग को मारे है आदमी. आदमी पे तेग, तेग means what? तलवार, sword. And some people for robbing money and gold, everything, they are killing to the innocent people. They are also human only, correct? So one person is shouting for help there, another one is coming to help, the other person is killing to somebody, and the one more person will come and save his life there. So these all characters are there, only humans only, only humans. So see there how many types of humans we can see there. पगड़ी भी आदमी की उतारे है आदमी. पगड़ी means what? Turban. Turban, olden days, now also in Rajasthan people used to wear this turban there. So it is a prestige of Rajasthanis. It is the prestige of Rajasthanis. So what will happen there? Taking off that turban, what will happen there? It is an insult there. Marriages time, if they are not giving the dowry, if they are not giving the dowry, what will happen there? The other side person will take off his turban and they will mash under their leg. That means what? A person who is respecting other, he is also a human there, and a person who is insulting to others, he is also a human only. चिल्ला के आदमी को पुकारे है आदमी, और सुन के दौड़ता है, सो वो भी है आदमी. Those who are shouting there, save me please, they are also human. Those who are coming and helping to that guy, he is also a human, correct? So there are so many types of humans are there. So in the last stanza we can see there now, अशराफ और कमीने से ले शाहता वजीर, ये आदमी ही करते हैं सब कारे दिल पजीर. या आदमी मुरीद है और आदमी ही पीर, अच्छा भी आदमी ही कहता है ए नजीर, और सब में जो बुरा है सो वो भी है आदमी. Here what is there? Ashraf, sharif log, means good person, good character person. Ashraf means what? Good character person. Le Shah, Shah means what? Raja, king. Shah means what? Raja, king. Wazir, minister. Wazir, minister. ये आदमी ही करते हैं सब कारे दिल पजीर. कारे मीन्स व्हाट? वर्क. दिल पजीर मनचाहा. सो मनचाहा, दिल पजीर मीन्स व्हाट? अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर विश. Raja, king is there now, according to his wish only, he is ordering to the people. He is ordering to the people. Correct. And minister is listening to him, and that same announcement he is passing among the courtiers. Correct. So what their mind will say there, according to that they will do their work. या आदमी मुरीद है और आदमी ही पीर. Murid means what? Shishya, disciple, student. A person is a student and another one is a teacher. Another one is a teacher. So, अच्छा भी आदमी ही कहाता है a nazir. A good person also, a human, and और सब में जो बुरा है सो भी है आदमी. Robbers are there. They are also human only. They are also human only. So in this lesson, Nazar Akbarabadi, he has told us there are so many types of humans. According to their work and their personality, we can judge them. Okay. So like this, so many types of people are there in this world there, and a person, hidden qualities are there. There are so many hidden qualities are there in person there. When they will show us, then only we can judge them. A student, simple student in the class, we can see there. Every day he's coming to the school, sitting quietly, listening to the teachers there. We don't know what quality he has there. Correct. But assembly time, when he takes the mic and singing there, then we will come to know that, oh my God, he has a one more quality, that is singing. Correct. If any program is there, that same person is going to join in dance there and doing well. So he's a dancer. Correct. Sometimes on the stage he is giving, narrating the speech, reciting the poem. So there are so many qualities are there. So everybody who are there, the human only. So like this, so many types of humans we have seen in this poem by Akbar, Nazir Akbarabadi.